Chapter 17, Lesson 3 is about applications again. So this is addition and subtraction of volumes. So again, we need to remember the tools for addition and subtraction will be our bar models. So part whole, add on, take away, comparing. But we also now have the possibility of having a two-step bar model problem. Okay, so for this lesson, we will take a problem from page 136. Problem number 3 on the page says, Factory A used 64 liters of oil in a week. Factory B used 29 liters of oil less than Factory B. How many liters of oil did they use altogether? So again, the problem could be understood or drawn differently from what the book has. So the book has Factory A and Factory B, which is what I would have done. Okay, Factory A is 64 liters. Okay, Factory B is shorter because they used 29 liters less. So that's what I would have done. So this is 29 liters less. Okay, so the question is, how many liters of oil did they use altogether? So for us to determine the altogether, we need to know what Factory B amount was. So again, the first step is to find that. So clearly this is a two-step word problem. So we'll start with finding Factory B. Since that's a part, we know that we need to subtract. So 64 minus 29. So again, we need to be consistent. So we need to borrow because we cannot take away 9 from 4. So that will be 5 regrouped as 14. So when we start, we'll start with 9 and we count to 14. So that means we need one more plus 4 means 5. And this is 35. So Company B, Factory B used 35 liters. Okay, now the question though says how much oil did they use altogether? So their second model is also a compare model like this. So it looks like it's comparing, but their question mark is here. So if I were doing this, I would have used a part whole model. So part whole. So this is A and this is B. So again, if the model has been given, we can follow the model. But if the model is not given, this would be ideally a part whole model. So this is 64 and this is 35 liters. So similarly, this is 64 and this is 35 liters. So the problem with this is the kids won't know what they're looking for if it's just a part or a whole. So that's why I prefer this, because this tells the kids we're looking for a whole. So, but the equation will be the same. So since we're looking for a whole, we will add 64 plus 35. So start with a bigger number, that will be 9. And another 9. So altogether, both factories used 99. So again, parents, these word problems are best solved with bar models. So we need to make sure that our kids understand not only when the bar models are given, but also to be able to draw their own bar models in case there's no bar models given. That concludes Lesson 3 of Chapter 17. See you in the next lesson.